The Supreme Court has delivered a big ruling with regard to Muslim women seeking alimony. The top court has said that a divorced Muslim woman can seek alimony from her husband under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, the law related to maintenance for wives. A bench of Justice B.V. Nagaratna and Justice Augustine George Massey dismissed a Muslim man's petition challenging a direction to pay his wife maintenance after divorce. The judges delivered separate but concurrent judgments. The bench made it clear that the law for seeking maintenance applies to all married women, irrespective of their religion. Section 125 says that a person with sufficient means cannot deny maintenance to their wife, children, or parents. The court said that maintenance is a fundamental right of married women and it is not a matter of charity. The court said some husbands are not conscious of the fact that the wife, who is a homemaker, is dependent on them emotionally and in other ways. Time has come for Indian men to recognize the indispensable role and sacrifices made by housewives for the family. The landmark judgment has come on a petition by Muhammad Abdul Samad, who was directed by a family court to pay a monthly allowance of 20,000 rupees to his divorced wife. Samad challenged the direction in Telangana High Court. The High Court upheld the direction to pay maintenance but modified the amount to 10,000 rupees. He then moved the Supreme Court. His counsel argued that divorced Muslim women can seek recourse to the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 and stressed that it provides much more than what Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure does. He also argued that a special law shall prevail over a general law. However, the counter-argument was that the personal law does not take away a woman's entitlement to relief under the gender-neutral Code of Criminal Procedure. Chairperson of the National Commission for Women, Rekha Sharma, welcomed the judgment with a post on social media and said that the decision is a big step towards justice for all women. This judgment assumes significance considering the Shah Bano case in 1985. In this landmark verdict, the Supreme Court had ruled that Section 125 of CRPC applies to everyone irrespective of their religion. This was, however, diluted by the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 that stated that the Muslim woman can seek maintenance only during iddat, that is, 90 days after the divorce. In 2001, the Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of the 1986 Act but ruled that the obligation of a man to provide maintenance to his divorced wife extends until she remarries or is able to support herself. The Supreme Court's latest order consolidates a divorced woman's right to seek alimony under CRPC irrespective of her religion.